So in the last video we saw how to generate the content using the AI, and we use this amazing tool to generate that content, and it was about getting rid of depression and reclaim the joy. And the content is very long and consists of a lot of NLP terms and is valid of being ranked on Google, and has about 2,300 words with about around 23 headings and numerous paragraphs and some beautiful and useful images. And these images are unique and all we talked about in last video as well. So this specific video goes with the auto optimization feature and will auto optimize all the content. So let's quickly click on this button over here. We have around 80 credits available. Based on the plan you will get credit for the auto optimization. And so let's quickly see how we are using it and what benefit we get, and to what extent it does its duty, and whether it's any useful for your content. So let's quickly use it. So you can see that it is analyzing all the headings, all the paragraphs, the content one by one. The structure, as you can see over here, it's also rewriting some stuff, considering all the NLP terms. So the process is quite quick, and yeah, you can see it. So it is going pretty faster, adding lot of content. It is. So now you can see the all adjustments are done, and it optimized all paragraphs and headings as well. Now we can save and close this, and pretty much has been optimized, and we saved the content. If we had written this content and if we had knowledge about what we wrote in the content, we could clearly compare what it did. But based on my experience, I have seen that auto optimization is taking into account all the NLP terms and the keywords that are more likely to give prominence to content. And you can use it if you are not pretty much into SEO and have less knowledge about the SEO framework. Then you should definitely use auto optimization feature in Surfer SEO, and will give you some beautiful results in optimizing in one click your content. And you can also insert the internal links. If you click them, you can connect your Google, your search console, and it will find all the links from the sitemap, and using that sitemap it will internally link all the content that whatever it feels relevant in the current content, right? So the magic comes in when you integrate it with other services like search console. So you should definitely go with the connection, go with the integration. You can also use it on your WordPress. I have also made a video about how to integrate it on WordPress, how to integrate it on Google documentation, Google Docs, and you will get all this content score guidelines and outlines and all the brief on your sidebar in your Google Docs or your WordPress. And so yeah, this is all for this video. If you found it any useful, then go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel for watching more videos like this. See you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.